is me. Today I'm going to show you how to control an LED light by Raspberry Pi. So let's get into it. So today I'm not going to connect this Raspberry Pi to my computer. Today I found out there's an app that could connect to my Raspberry Pi. That's called VNC, Viewer. So okay, now guys, I'll show you what you have to use. You need a Raspberry Pi and you need a breadboard. You have to connect the Raspberry Pi to the breadboard. So I use Raspberry Pi GPIO extension board, and this is the breadboard I already told you. And here in the breadboard I used 4 LED lights. You could use any kind of color you want, and I got jumper wires. I got jumper wires. What is it called? A resistor. What does a resistor do? I know what you're thinking. And this, what does this do? It will give us the right power, the right amount of power that will make the LED light up. So yes, guys, I'll show you the what program that we used. Guys, now I'm going to run this program. And by the way, I used Python. This is a much easy script to use. So yes, now I'm going to run this script. Let's see what this LED can do. Now look, guys. 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. It ons, but when we press, it's going to keep on go. It's going to keep on go. There's no limit to stop. But until we press this red button. Look, guys, I'll show you. It's interrupt reset button. So yes, I'm going to press it. Now it's stopped. It will do nothing, and nothing will happen. Okay, guys, now this is the end of this video. So today I'm telling you, if you have a Raspberry Pi, do this program and all of these cool things, and I'll recommend you to use Python also. It's a good talent if you learn about Python also, guys. I recommend this. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Tell me, comment down below what I have to improve and all those stuff, and what I need to do. And you can ask any questions. I'll reply that. Okay, guys, see you, and support me support me as much as you can, and see you later, guys. Bye.